Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. In today's tutorial, we're gonna learn how to recover your deleted Instagram post. So, without wasting time, let's start. So, first of all, open your Instagram application. After that, I'll go my profile option. Here I will delete my one post to show you how can I recover it. After deleting that post, I'll tap on three dots right here. After that, I will tap on settings and then search for recently deleted. So here I will see manage recently deleted option. I will tap on it. So here I can see my deleted chat. Now the question is that how can I recover it? I will tap on three dots right here and tap on recover option. After a couple of seconds, I will successfully able to recover my deleted Instagram post. So here we go. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe for further cool tutorials. So bye bye.